So, this is the snowstorm we received. What's the date? March 9th, overnight. It's been snowing since Saturday. Narration by Tony, of course. Look at this. Where's my walkway? Totally disappeared. Isn't this cool? How am I getting out of my house? Snowbank. That's totally insane. Totally completely insane. Never seen this much right here. I have to figure out a way to get out. Look at that. Check this out. It's up to the window. My back window. Ooh, overexposure. It's in my backyard. Look, the cabana over there, halfway through the door. It's up to the fence, the snow. Check that out, the swing set. Halfway through the swing set. Somewhere in there there's a swimming pool, there's a barbecue. Another view from Michael's room. Look at that, the snow on the balcony. The railing and the barbecue, look, it's up to the railing. Incredible. This is my swimming pool in there. Could you see it? Look, my neighbor's pool. Alright, that's enough. It's too depressing, that. Look at the size of this here. Wave hello. Why are you closing the door? Look at the size of these things. God, I haven't seen something like this ever. Look at this. This is colorful.